Okay guys, welcome back. We are back with the limit. Our limit is good to go. We have a freshly new limit. Let's see. We have the usage and it's perfect. Oh my god. I don't know for whatever reason, but yep. And how does it reset on 15th of August? Okay. So we are good to go for the next hour or something like that, and we are good to go by continuing with the maintenance page. So let me actually check if everything works correctly on the stream. Okay, let me actually look right now. Okay, on the stream. Okay, everything is good and we are good to go. So let's begin. Okay, we have some bugs that the previous days we fixed and finded them. Let me actually close this, the AC, because we are good to go with the air. So in the place where I am, it's very hot actually, and that's the whole reason I had the AC on, but I have closed it right now. Kilometers of that car that it has at that moment. Not but that it has. That it has at that moment. Okay, we can do that. If something, this is from the maintenance tab. Okay. Okay, let me actually turn it back on because it's quite hot. Okay, we can remove this tab because we don't actually need it. Please remove this tab from the maintenance page. Okay. Cost maintenance per vehicle. Let me actually see what is this. What is this one? Okay, so this is the reports. What I want you to do is check this page, which is the analytics from the maintenance page, and what I want you to do is tell me if this page actually works and if it properly runs. What you can do is to do the tests using the, let's say, extension from actual Google in order to check every small detail, every small thing, every possibility, and to do that, and then you can actually give me a report of the bugs you find and fixed and tell me if this page is good to go. And find the bugs page. Okay, please remove this tab from the maintenance page. Why it doesn't work properly? Like, you see, I am telling him page, he's writing step for whatever reason. I don't know, it's kind of not really good, and properly working. Okay. Assigration, not segregation. Assigration possibility. Okay. Okay, this will be kind of long. Let me just push. Okay. And I can actually give him what he can do next. So in order for us to do this, he can do that. I can give him that. Okay. There is some sort of delegation going. Okay. Firstly, you can drop the technicians and like shop drop down, and then you can continue with the newly task that I gave you. Okay. Okay. Okay, so actually what I want to see if he did in fact push. Let me actually check something.
I like making my podcast.
My
I
God,
don't
this
like
thing.
making short clips of my podcast. So the
Oh my God. Damn. Okay, it's actually good. My nose is kind of like soggy for whatever reason. I don't know why. Let me do something really quick. I'm sorry, I am back. Need the deployments? Yes, they are ready. So let me actually check what he did. I can repetition from this tab. Oh, but actually you can check. Bro, I don't understand. Oh my God, I hate. Okay, so commands repeat. Okay. Okay, so he did add the kilometers. What the hell happened? Oh my God. No, nothing happened. How the hell? It's not horrible. What the hell? Here I am able to put under the actual kilometers. I should not be able to do that. And also another thing is that if I change the kilometers to something higher, it should also change it in the details tab from that car and everywhere where the kilometers are specified. Oh my god, bro, what the hell? That is not actually true. And yeah, which tab did I ask him to change? The thing with the... Okay, that was in fact removed, so we can delete this. He's checking this right now. Oh, okay, we did not quite push. Okay. Let him finish, and after that we will push. Okay, so he is doing that right now. But I think with the locations we did in fact fixed them. So did we do that? No, we did not. For whatever reason, he did not do that. Okay, so let me actually tell him that. In the filters, okay, let me do a quick screenshot and explain to him that. Show me the cars from the application. Updated and both here the location, so from the I have the branches like that, so please update it and put the locations also. Okay. But it should show me. Okay, so he started going to the other section that we will check right now, but I want to finish up with these bugs and actually go to the other one. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's going apparently. I want to leave him fix this. This is from the branches tab. Okay. So did you fix it? Okay, by the car. Okay, so if we finish with these ones, we will be good to go with the other tabs and like start checking them each one individually. We are doing that with the maintenance and the locations now. So everything is running correctly. I did not in fact check what he did, but basically after he finishes I will give him each part and I will need to check each part so I could actually tell him what is correct and not correctly working. But first we'll let him finish, so I want to see if he'll fix the mistakes. I don't know, for whatever reason there is a guy down my hall screaming in his headphones and listening to rock music. Okay, he's still going. He's still going with it. Okay. Okay, why is he still going? That's my question. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to push and actually just, oh my god. And actually I'm just gonna verify what he did and what he will do in order to see. Okay, so the deployment is coming through. Why is he still building? That's the thing. Okay, it's ready, which is good. Finally. Okay, let's see. Let's take it slow and actually see. So in here, for the fast ones, you see I did not make them, but they somehow were made. There is some sort of bug here, and we will need to explain to him that. My mother. Okay. This is one is finished. We don't know about this. Did he remove that? Yes, he did. Okay, this one is also done. Guarantee, so in here it should show me the possibility of a bad car in the moment. What? It should show me the possibility for a bad car. What the hell did I meant with it? Okay. What the hell? I did not understand what I meant here. Okay, he didn't put that. Okay. But let me remove them. The branches also, so we'll do these two tabs today. it still doesn't redirect me down. You told me you fixed this bug, but you did not actually. Yes, fix all bugs, all the bugs that you find in this one. And are you sure you did all the possible tests to trigger all the things that can come through here? Okay, actually this one. Let me actually check the usage. Okay, the usage is actually really good. It's not that big. It's just 40%, which is actually really good. Okay, but he did remove this. Okay. Okay, for the floater, we don't actually have one vehicle. Okay, he did not actually assign this. I want to do here as a button. Okay, he did not do that. Okay, for whatever reason he did not do that. You did not do that. Like you see how I can see the car, which is good, but I don't see an add vehicle button and some sort of drop down with the cars that are not assigned to a branch. So where is it? You told me you fixed it. Okay, and let me actually one more time just for fun copy the image so he could still see what I mean, and he should be good to go, but we will check it when we can actually. Okay, that is very weird why he did not fix it in the first place. So what I want you to do here, okay, let's check that also. If you did, let's take it for example these ones. Okay, I understand what you did. And if I press on details, I should see that specific one. Normally, that's the whole point of it. And details, okay, yes, it's that one, but how is he 1 8, that's 9 9 10, and that's 13, bro. How does he take it? He takes it by the car, and this is the car. Audi, okay, and I want a redirect button here also, but anyways, Audi, let's take the Audi A6, the Audi A6, Audi A6, and there's this one, and let's see the not maintenance, activity, bookings, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 actually, and I think it is the right number. Why is it not going back? 14, I think it is the right number. Yep, it is, but how? Wait a bit, let me duplicate it and actually see something here. Fleet center, Audi, activity, bookings, do that. No, go back and make it full. Drag, okay. Why do I have a page behind it? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I think the pending ones are not coming. Incidents, free cancelled, okay. Okay. Here instead of the you can put the bookings that are pending, so the sum of the bookings is not confusing, because when I summed up it's 14, but actually one booking is pending, and that's the point of it. So yeah, please do that. Okay, he will do that. Another thing that I wanna do is okay, for the floater, okay. Here when coming to these sections, as you can see, we have the drop down of each car, but what I want you to do is for each individual car give like me a button, like C button or some sort of that, and it should redirect me to that specific car inside the center of the cars and inside that actual car. Okay, he will do that. Okay, he said he checked this. I don't know how accurate is he. He's still going with it. Okay, he's still going with it, like, apparently. Okay, but I don't understand what I did with this one. You know what, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, the guarantee the call, okay, we'll delete it. Okay, let me push actually and commit. Okay, we have pushed. Let me see if it came through. Okay, so it's still going. Let's see. Okay, it did not came through. Why? I have pushed it. Okay, now it came. Okay, I will come back in 1 minute. I need to take some water. Just wait here, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, I am back. Oh, he finished everything, which is very good actually. Okay, error. We got an error, but that doesn't matter, it will be fixed. Now, when it will be pushed, hopefully. Okay, so let me see. What did we need it to do? Okay, he finished also this. Delivered, not changed, nothing's left for you, nothing is committed, the changes are okay, are still on test, and the probe downtime does his entry for a native confirm that I'm not allowed to offset, commence to charge that takes 30 seconds. The rest of the maintenance are still hardcore Romanian, that on the right pass, and the native bar. Okay. He is building. Okay, now what we can do is go through the maintenance. Okay, we will remove everything that is this with AI. We will remove it actually. We will remove it, but at the moment let me actually check, is he done building or not? No, it's not done, but I think it will be. Let me actually check. Where is my charger? Actually, I need to put my phone to charge. Okay. It's not charging it because the battery is low. Okay, so we will do that. So let me actually check. This is done. How much is it going to take, bro? Come on. What did we needed to check? Okay, this tab, it can be checked later in the branches when you switch. Okay, this is the first thing to do after he is done. Okay, he is done. Okay, let me actually see. This is from the branches tab going to float. It still doesn't do that. Okay, let's see. I am here. Okay, so I didn't think quite understand what I want. So when I click on every section here, let's say I am up the page and I click on one of the sections down below, I want to be redirected down to that specific page. Like if I press right now on the section, I want to be redirected down, like here, I mean. Okay, he should do that. Okay, another thing. Oh, he did it with the vehicles. Okay. Something was done here with the vehicles. Okay, that is not done. This is done, I think. Yes, it is, but let me actually check it on vehicle, for example. Okay, the Audi A6. I should not be able to choose the Audi A6. Audi A6, Audi Q5, 2023 is Toyota. Audi A6, but it's 2020, okay. Basically, yeah. Yes, it works correctly, but I don't like the drop down. Okay. I don't really like the drop down for the branches tab when choosing to add a car to that specific location. So change it to something beautiful, like the rest of the page, and make it also smaller. So yeah, please do that. Okay, click a branch, okay. Okay, he needed to put here. This is from the reservations tab. What I asked him, but okay. Yep, he did that. But I don't quite like how he did arrange them. But that's something we will do after it. Okay, that is really good. But for the cars, open, and yeah, it redirects me to that car. He did that, okay. So now what we can do is we will delete these ones. I don't know what is this, but anyways, the branches, it will do it, okay, I think so. Okay, there's a reef, okay, we can push. Now, let me start checking the page. Okay. So how we can do that is by triggering wait a bit, guys. I don't know, I'm sorry guys, my internet fell off. I needed to reopen it. So yeah, sometimes it just falls off for whatever reason. I'll actually check if we are still live. Okay, we are still live somehow. Okay, so now how can we trigger them? Okay, so how can we trigger them actually is by going in the maintenance tab. We can do that. Can you close it please? Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, one in maintenance. Actually, I can give him this to do. So what I want you to do now is to trigger everything in here to see if it actually works. Every small card, every small thing from the maintenance card. Panel page should be triggered in order for it to work. You can use the extension, put cars in maintenance, remove them, or whatever you need to do in order to check if this tab works. And yeah, please do that now. Don't touch other pages, don't change the languages, like I don't know, the model to other languages. Keep it as it is. We'll do that later. For now, do what I asked you to do, and at the end please give me a full report of what is working, and also explain after you are done in plain English what every small card does and how can you trigger it actually. And yeah, we will do that, and we can do this page also, because for the calendar I know it works and it doesn't have a thing. Okay, so okay, edit status. Okay, we will do the same thing for this one, but we just BooVAi, which means fast orders in English. Page, okay. In order for it to work, actually, we need to do that. Another thing, I don't know if you know, but in the maintenance tab, there is a possibility to put prices for the, I don't know, let's say objects or like cars, repairs, or I don't know, parts of the cars, all that. So, what I want you to do is tell me where can I input the money. I know I can do it in fast deliveries for sure, but what I want you to do is to give me a structure or to tell me where can I input the money from the maintenance tab, and actually tell me how this works with the money, and is this triggered in the money center or not, like does it come through. True or not. If not, it should come through and actually remove money or whatever, and make it as and explain what the help is about, because there you can select if it's like money, parts, or whatever, or yeah, please do that and tell me if it's connected. If it's not connected, but firstly tell me how the money is calculated in the maintenance and where is it specified. Okay, we'll actually leave him continue with its task because we don't have quite a lot left in tank, so we will do that now. But I think I will stop the work, and the next session we will do a freshly new session. So we have tokens. Okay. Okay. But it's going quite nicely. As I can see, he will check this. This is working. Somehow it's working. This is working. I know for a fact it's working. This fast tab, I'm not quite sure what it does. This we didn't check. This with the guarantee, I don't really understand how it works. And I will actually quarantine. Where did I see something like that? Let me check it, because I think in the Audi A6 or for the cars in general we have administrations, not financial invoices, no audit, documents. Yes, we have documents. And I see, okay, no, guarantee. Okay, so I have the guarantees. I don't know what the recall and downtime is, but we have the guarantee. And normally it should work. It should work actually. Which it doesn't, as you can see here. It does not work. So normally that means that they are not in fact connected. Okay, they are not in fact connected, which is not quite good actually, if you ask me. And he said he did something here. Let me actually see. He did something in the analysis and reports. Vehicle cost. What is this? Let me actually see. Did he fix this tab or what did he fix? Okay, let's check this page. Analytics views. Okay. Okay, so he did in fact make some changes here. Okay, cost incurred plus open. Okay, requiring failures. Vehicle service history. Okay. Why is this changing? Like it's going okay, but it should stay the same. Okay, this is what I want to do here also. Okay, we can say he checked this. One only. So in here, for the analytics tab from the maintenance page, you see how this is changing by regarding the car, but it should stay at the same height, or I don't know, but the maximum things should be 4 lines, so if it's more than 5 it should be scrollable. Did I say 4 or 5? And 4 it should be scrollable. Okay, that is done. Let me actually check something else. Okay, 38 times. So yeah, we are back. I'm sorry. You see he did it, which is good. Combinations. Okay. Okay. He fixed something actually a few minutes ago. See how he called them, which is actually good. Okay, you can run the export if you need, bro. Another maintenance KPI cost current still adds purchases. Oh, this is with the money. Okay. Okay. Money in the maintenance, only one screen. Estimate price. Okay. How is he inputted? Okay, the money center, no. Is it? It is now a schedule. Okay. Are you sure you fixed? And the 2 things that you left alone, can you check them and fix them? Okay, the purchase order to work orders. The money center doesn't. Yes, it should like work on them and call them like the money center. You're also got synthetic. Okay, say the word. Yeah, so fix them and I'll show you fixed everything. And is it connected to the money center now? 95, okay. Okay, so I will actually, you know what? So yeah, so what I want you to do now, because we don't have quite a lot of limit left, is explain for the next session what you are doing in a simple text, and explain where you left off, and explain to him what he needs to do in order to continue with the build actually. I will stop also this because I am not sure he will be able to finish it in time. So I will do that, I will do that. Okay. The next session, what you are doing in a simple text, and explain where you left off, and explain to him what he needs to do in order to continue with the build. Okay, we can push this once. Okay. Here's the handoff. Save it to memory. Okay, what I did. What I did this session in the rocking tree. No, bro, I did not ask you to tell him what you did in the whole section. I wanted to ask you to do and explain to him what you are doing in the last run. No way. What I was doing, auditing the maintenance page. Analysis report, found to fix them. The problem now phase 2, clicking through every card on the panel. No, bro, I told you to explain to him what you were doing in the last run. Okay. I told you to explain to him what you were doing the last run. I'm not sure why he did that, but anyways. What I was doing. Okay. To continue. Oh my god, bro. Okay, let me actually scroll above. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. So that's the Romani screen. Okay. Okay, this working branches. Okay. Okay, so that is the whole. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in the next session at 7 o'clock in 1 hour. So thank you guys, and see you back in 1 hour.